Welcome to Exam Sales Comprehensive Guide to the Cisco Designing the FlexPod Solution exam, also known as FDESIN. This exam is designed to test your knowledge and skills in designing and implementing FlexPod solutions, and in this video, we'll break down the exam syllabus to help you prepare. The FDESIN exam is divided into 4 domains: Cisco Collaboration Flex Plan 3.0, Collaboration Flex Plan 3.0 Quoting and Ordering, the evolution of subscription, and transitioning to subscription. Each domain has a specific weightage, with the first 2 domains carrying 40% each, and the last 2 domains carrying 10% each. Let's start with the first domain, Cisco Collaboration Flex Plan 3.0. This domain focuses on the core architecture, licensing tiers, and service capabilities of the Flex 3.0 portfolio. You'll learn about the Flex Plan 3.0 solution overview, deployment and licensing models, and how to differentiate between Enterprise Agreement 3.0 and named user models. In this domain, you'll also learn how to identify calling capabilities, including WebEx calling and UCM Cloud, meeting capabilities, and WebEx Suite components. You'll understand contact center options within the Flex framework and explain the value of common area and public space devices. Additionally, you'll analyze the benefits of software support services, SWSS integration. The second domain, Collaboration Flex Plan 3.0 Quoting and Ordering, focuses on the operational execution of deals using Cisco Commerce Workspace, CCW and Subscription Workbench. You'll learn how to create and manage estimates using the FLEX 3 top-level PID, configure specific sub-options for calling, meetings, and contact center, and utilize the Subscription Workbench for lifecycle management. In this domain, you'll also learn how to apply promotional codes and handle exception workflows, manage quote-to-order conversion and validation steps, and identify the process for midterm expansions and add-on orders. You'll perform true forward and anniversary alignment calculations, manage renewal notifications and automated renewal settings, and execute quote modifications for existing subscriptions. Moving on to the third domain, the evolution of subscription, which carries 10% of the exam weightage. This domain focuses on market trends and the strategic shift from perpetual to recurring revenue models. You'll learn about subscription economy foundations, including market drivers for SaaS and cloud consumption, and compare CAPEX versus OPEX financial models for customers.